So the sale table hits again. I thought this was interesting. So this was $3 marked down, but what it is it's plastic. Well, it appears to be plastic wrap, clear plastic wrap, but it's a biopolymer. They've used, okay, this remarkable food wrap is made using a patented technology from Nature Star that processes sustainable plants into a strong biopolymer. It will fully compost in just a few months. Somewhere else it says 12 months. So, but basically they're saying you use this and it will decompose in a year. So you don't have that idea that all this waste plastic is going somewhere. Now, so why was it on the sale table there? There were two of them. I just got one. It's either like it wasn't selling well, and sometimes that can be just because people are reluctant to try it, or it could be, I found with the sale table, this might have been just kind of too expensive. I'll have to read the code here and we'll see if we can find a price of this. So here we are looking at this product. This is Matter. It's a biopolymer. So it looks like plastic wrap, but it isn't plastic wrap. So my question is here, we have a suspicious dog in the background. He sees something outside, but I don't know what it is. Well, that didn't rip exactly how I wanted it to, but basically we're just testing to see if we can get it to work first. Wow, it kind of rips easily. Let's try that again. Maybe that's why these are marked down. It is very easy to tear. And it's very thin, so of course you have to do this rigmarole if you rip it, because see, now it's just going to continue to rip unless I can get the end undone. My goodness. I got it over here. It's just this part I don't have. Now, see, it's going to keep ripping. And of course, you really can't see this very well either. Wonder if I can pull it down. No, it's getting worse, not better. There we go. There's some of it. No, it's not doing it right. Well, normally this would have been in the thing and it would rip easily. Well, pulling it got some strength to it that way, but let's try again. See, there's the end of this, almost the end of it. There we go. So now we have to wrap this, unwrap it till we hit the main part of the roll, and be careful not to do too far or we'll just be ripping that. There, it looks like we've started to get to the rest of the roll. Now it's ripped into the center. I think I found why this product's on sale. This is horrible. It's just not. It's incredibly difficult to work with. What do you see, Pink? There's nothing going on. It's snowing out. We're having a big snow event again, like we always do. This person I know talked to from Haiti, they've never seen snow. They'd like to experience it. Well, I'm going to say this product's a fail. I mean, if I have to work this hard just to try to get the wrap off, I'm definitely, doesn't matter if if it decomposes, because I'm going to be throwing this away and getting something that works, which would be old-fashioned, some type of saran wrap, cling wrap product. But this is a monstrous fail. Jay, you can't even see where that there it is there. See, the idea is if I can get all of it out at once, then it shouldn't keep ripping. But see, now it's ripped. No, it's there on the side. Yeah. Okay, this officially goes in as a totally useless product. That's too bad, because I like the idea of something that's going to decompose, of course. But look how easy it tears apart. Now, what if this has already started to decompose? It says it decomposes in 12 months. Have I got a roll that's 11 months old? I don't know. Is there a date on it? Matter food wrap. Just says that it takes 12 months to decompose fully. But I don't know. I certainly am not going to be using this.